got a problem. No hole to dump the poop. When morning comes along, they open the window and they pour it out onto the street. And it goes down the gutters.
And the water takes flight?
Yeah, into the river. Yeah. And so if you're a kid living down there, the poor kids living down by the river, you had to know when the poop was coming and when not to go play in the river. In the meantime, all these dead rats, what are you going to do with them? You throw them into the river. And all these rat parts kind of just disintegrated in the water and came floating down. Well, pretty soon, the poor kids got sick and they got spots all over themselves. Developed a high fever. Like that.
Look how they're rat pops.
Yeah. These cups are going to be your pets. Yeah. You have to name your pets.
Yeah.
So, you'll get a permanent marker and you can write the name of your pet on it. You don't want the name to be too long because you're going to be writing it a bunch of times. After everybody has pets with names on them, and hopefully all different names, we're going to put a chemical in one of them. The chemical we'll be using is called phenolphthalein, and it's in this bottle.
Drugs.
Phenolphthalein is called an acid-base indicator. If you put something that has a lot of OHs in it, it will do something. Acids have a lot of plain old H's in them.
It doesn't look like this one. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Some ammonia in one fingertip. I could put my finger in there and squeeze it, and ta-da! Turned water into wine, and everybody goes, ooh!
Let me drink it!
And then squirt vinegar in, and stir that back to water again. We're going to use that chemical to detect the disease. You're going to have all your pets sitting on the table. You're going to go outside. I'm going to close the door. And then I'm going to put the chemical in only one cup. Then when you come back, I'm going to say, okay, find someone else and mix yours with theirs. So, you go find somebody else and you mix yours with theirs. Now, two people have the disease, but you don't know who's got it because all the cups are clean. And then you're going to write the names that are on the two cups on a sticky pad. They'll all be stuck up here on the board. And then you get your other pet, find someone different. You go mixy, mixy, mixy with them, and write those two names on another sticky pad and stick it under the same spot. Because at the very end, I'll write ammonia to all of them. And wherever the red stuff is, that's where the disease is. Everybody else who's got clear cups, both cups clear, it's their job to find out who had the disease first.
You got the facts.
There you go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There you go.
Wait.
I need to put
Seven.
Why is it so far only people on that table got?
I'm gonna make cheese.
You can look at their cups, you can look at the stickies on the board. Try to find out who had it first.